Hey there, in this video, we will create a JavaScript function to add two digits of a given positive integer of length 2. So you can see we have input like 11 and expected output is 2. It means 1 plus 1. Here 5 plus 6 equal to 11 and 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. Okay, so in this specific example, we will consider only two digits 11, 56, 90, and so and so. Okay, we will not consider more than two digits or 09. It will also not considered. Okay, so this is very simple example, and you might be asked to write down a simple JavaScript program in your interview. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, in JavaScript, we will create a function. Let's say addition is a function. Okay, using ES6 method, we will create arrow function and log our result. Okay, so first of all, we will test for 11. Okay, in function, we will receive argument, let's say n, and first of all, we will find modulo. So what exactly is modulo? Let's log insert dot log. Okay, so n modulo n. So what this will result return? It will return n, that is integer, divided by 10 and remainder. So in our case, it should return 1. Okay, let's see. You open the console and it is returning 1 because 11 divided by 10 and remainder will be 1. Okay, so this is first detail we need. Okay, the second detail we need is n divided by 10, it will be 1.1, and we will use JavaScript math function math dot floor. Okay, what this function will do, this will return 1. So here we have 11 divided by 10, and the floor returns the greatest integer less than or equal to its numerical argument. Okay, so it will return 1. Okay, let's try with another input. Let's keep it like 68, and it is returning 6 because 68 divided by 10 will be 6.8, and the floor math dot floor will return 6. Okay, so this is second value we need. So what we will do, we will return a floor of 9 divided by 10 plus the value which we already calculated and modulo 10, and it should be it. As you can see, 2, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and 6 plus 8 equal to 14. Okay, so let's test with another value. Let's test with 49. It should return 13. Yep, and let's test with 99. That will return 18. Okay, 90 will return 9. So this is working fine. Make sure you are not passing value like 09. It will throw an error because we cannot use division or modulo with this kind of integer. Okay, this is not actual an integer, so it is decimal with leading 0, and we are using strict mode here, so it is not allowed to use strict mode this kind of calculation. Okay, so for this specific example, you need to make sure that you are using two digits and 0 should not be at the beginning of the integer. Okay, so this is very simple example. You just need to find the floor value of division and modulo, and when you add those two values, it will return the addition of that specific integer. Okay, guys, that's all for this video, guys. This is very small video, I know, and I hope you like this video. If you are new to my channel, please visit my channel. There are lots of videos created for JavaScript, CSS. There are videos on Node.js and WordPress as well, and more videos are there coming in the future. Okay, guys, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.